What's going on, everybody? DerpsClassic here. Have you ever been taking a shit and thought to yourself, oh fuck me, I just remembered I'm 27 years, 4 months, 3 days, 6 hours, 41 minutes, and 36.725 seconds old. I can't be having my mom wipe my ass for me whenever I need to drop the Cosby's off at the LA County pool. If you said yes to that question, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to teach you how to wipe your ass without your mom's help. Before we begin though, I'd like to give a huge shout out to today's video sponsor, Raid Shadow Legend. I'm just kidding. I'm not about to let an advertisement for some mobile team-based RPG block the progression of this amazing and educational tutorial video. First things first, obviously, you're going to need to take a shit. Don't need a shit? Run to your local Walgreens if it hasn't already been burnt down by the real-life CSGO anarchist terrorists. Pick up a bottle of Miralax, break some things, and knock some shit over to show your never-ending support for George Floyd and the Blake Lives Matter movement. Speed home before the mob of idiots can bust their way into your vehicle and find a way to ingest the Miralax. Now, you could mix it with water or milk or even some food, but that's boring. You probably want something exciting. So go ahead, dump that shit out on the table, get your Hello Kitty credit card you stole on the way home, and get to doing some lines. What's that? Okay. I've just been informed by my superiors that snorting Miralax comes with a myriad of potentially dangerous side effects I should warn you about, including but not limited to inflammation of the nostrils, nosebleeds, severe erectile dysfunction, death. If you want to avoid all those little headaches that come with snorting laxative powder, just dump the entire bottle into a can of Pabst Blue Ribbon hard coffee. That stuff already tastes like shit, so this will probably make it better. Maybe. Quick disclaimer, if at any point after ingesting the laxatives you notice that you #can't breathe, then I just want to say nice going dipshit, because that means that as a result of the moisture in your body, the powder is hardened in your windpipe and you have about 8 minutes and 46 seconds before you die.
That's not funny, asshole. Kill yourself.
The next step is to actually take a shit. Now, unless you're the single person living in North Korea that just so happens to lack an anal cavity, you should be able to achieve this pretty easily. If you don't know how to take a shit, I honestly don't have any idea what the fuck you think you're doing here on my YouTube channel. Knowing how to take a shit is crucial to understanding the intellectual prowess I commonly put on display in my videos. Now that you know how to clench your butthole in order to squeeze out a big old turd, it's on to the most important step, and the reason you're watching this video to begin with: wiping. If you're a grown-ass man who spends 90% of his time browsing the internet cesspool known as Reddit looking for tips on how to summon your dream anime girlfriend in real life, this is where you'll want to quit typing, wipe the bacon grease off your eyebrows, and pay extra close attention to what I say. Take a square of toilet paper, ball it up, and maneuver it back and forth between your ass cheeks. If you're paralyzed from the neck down and shit in a cardboard box, you can disregard this, but for everyone who has full control of their arms, this is incredibly important. In fact, a recent study that I totally didn't throw together in a half-assed attempt to make this video a little bit funnier shows that everyone who doesn't wipe their own ass without their mom's help is a virgin pussy bitch. Once that ball of toilet paper looks like the horse droppings your stupid ass keeps mistaken for chocolate-covered cheese balls every time you go on a hike, drop that shit into the toilet and flush it. A fair warning I should give you is that the flush of a toilet is kind of loud and may startle you. In fact, I'd say the average sound of a flushing toilet is comparable to the sound of a DPMS Oracle being fired at point-blank range.
Jesus.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial video and found it informative, and if you did, be sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see other tutorials, other videos, or even just tell me if this tutorial helped you out in any way, shape, or form, leave a comment down below. I know I haven't uploaded a whole lot recently, there's just been a lot of bullshit happening. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I can't thank you enough for all your support. Peace out.